In this video, I'm going to show you an alternative way to write a while loop. It's with this while true then break pattern. So the condition for the while loop will be set to true. It'll always be true. So you might think that this would create an infinite loop, and it does, but we will use the break statement in the body of the loop in order to get out of the loop. So this, while this might look funny at first, this is a somewhat common way of writing while loops, and you will see them, and there is a reason for writing them. Let me first demonstrate an example. We're going to change one of our previous examples into this new pattern of writing while loops. So when we did Newton's method to find the square root, we use this code over here. This is just copied and pasted from above. So let me just go ahead and execute that again. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this so that this is always true. And so this is just a different way of doing this. And so I don't have to calculate the error twice over here. So notice that in this code, that our original code, we calculated the error here and then down here again. So we're doing it twice. This will save us one calculation. So I'm just going to get rid of this line of code over here. I still need to keep max error, and this line I don't need to print out either. So what's going to happen here is that I will say while true, and what we're going to do is we will calculate the error first, and we will then say if the absolute value of the error is less than, this time we'll do less than the max error, then we will break. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to use the original guess over here. So that's 5. So in the body of the loop, we will calculate the error. That's guess squared minus num. If this error, the absolute value of the error, is less than this max error, so it's a very small error, we will then break. There's no need to update or do anything else. And we'll have to move this print statement up here like this. And then, so if that happens, we'll break out of the loop, and we won't have to worry about this while true. Otherwise, we will update our guess. So we'll use the that formula for update that stays the same, and then we can see. Let's just go ahead and run this so we can see what this, how this works, how this looks. So as you can see, it gives the exact same output over here, and it just uses this break statement to get out of the loop. So the condition, the real condition is here. So we can have like a little comment over here and say condition, say actual condition is checked here. Okay, so while true, that's just something trivial. We're just forcing this to be true. So this will be run at least one time. You're guaranteed to have it run one time. And it's just a rearranging of the code and a slight rearranging of the logic. So we don't test the condition in the while section. We test it somewhere in the body of the loop and use the break statement to just get out of there. Okay, so this is just an alternative way. The things that it does is you don't have to have the error statement twice. I don't have to have this print statement twice. I have it one time. It's in the body of the loop. So it saves a little bit of code right there. And you do have to add some code over here, but it does save these couple of lines of calculating the error and printing it out in 2 places. So here we just have it in 1 place. All right, so that's a new pattern for you to keep in mind and to use. While true, then break.